Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer, and in this video I'm going to show you some of the nice things related to the booking manager. And if you go to the booking manager, this is really coming as well. It's an upcoming item. This is the to-do list. So the moment you have here a new booking, what will happen? It will automatically generate specific to-do actions, but they will only be displayed on a specific date. Meaning, for example, like this one here. So you can see here Ramil Ocampo is going to travel, or is traveling already, or is returning almost. So what happened is basically there are some action points that you need to know. So imagine today is 19 April 2018. If the customer comes today, what you want to do is you want to make sure that the customer enjoyed it by asking them, did you enjoy your holiday? So what will happen then is after 2 days after the arrival date, so the 21st of April, an automatic task is being added in the booking manager. So if you go here to the to-do, you see later on here an automatic task in the booking manager, and it says, please contact Sir Ramil or Mr. Ramil regarding to his holiday. Ask for feedback or ask how the customer enjoyed the holiday. Very, very useful and very, very important. Why is this really important? Well, first of all, getting feedback from your customer is valuable. Secondly, a picture with their review is great marketing for you. And finally, if you understand that, for example, the customer says, well, I don't like the hotel because the customer service was very bad, then you also start to know how good the hotel is. And maybe you say, well, it's the first time. You're right. What if you send a second and a third customer there and the same issue maintains? If that's the case, you start to understand that, wait a minute, maybe the hotel is not anymore up to standard and you have to check for another hotel to promote. Very, very important, because customers want a good hotel, they want to be happy, and if they are happy, they will give you feedback and they will highly recommend your travel agency. But the same goes as well. If they don't like the hotel, they might call you and complain regarding to the hotel, and maybe they want a upgrade or they want a different hotel because they are so dissatisfied. And of course, the customer will never book from you again because they were dissatisfied about the hotel. Yes, that means sometimes you have no control about the situation. However, understanding if a customer complains about something, and if you see that more people are complaining about the same thing, that is valuable for you and you know exactly what to do then. Then you can solve the issue faster and then stop recommending a hotel or operator or whatever you use if that's causing the problem. And that's really it. So if you like this kind of system that helps you to remind your agents, so of course these reminders will be also hidden here where they can see, oh, there are 2 tasks open right now. If they add, and if the other one will come and say, oh, the 3rd task has been opened, that someone needs to do. So, and if you like this kind of organization that is really structured, designed to help you grow your travel agency, register at couponbet.com. It will help you to organize your travel agency, and we have a forever free plan that you can use right away. No need to worry about anything at all. So register right away and organize your travel agency now.